Yes, YouTube, I'm back again with another video. The Virgin buzzed me a while ago, tell me say he want to link up with me. He fly down from UK and he want to go up on the coast and go tour and see what is what and have little fun. We don't know what we're going to do directly yet, but we'll see what happens. Check on it later. Bless up YouTube, me there with my Virgin blood, straight from England, you know. Come check me at the place. Blood, what go on?
No, blessed.
Yeah man, me there man, how to touch the road, touch on the coast. See what go on, we don't know where they yet. I will have some fun. Yes, YouTube with their OT, but brother, rain. Brother, blood, where so much rain come from, man?
Oh, I'm not tell you.
Brother, tell us it.
Flood the place.
Yeah, tell them I don't know where so much rain come from still, but that a blessing still, and a blessing from up above.
What
So I give thanks, you see?
what you need is still, you know?
Yeah, YouTube, here in Port Maria. Just stopped at a KFC. Gotta get something to eat, boy. I'm hungry. Have to eat something, you know. Have to start with something to eat, you know. Virgin gone down the road, just gonna look for one of him friend them, you know. Go and consume some corn and chicken. Hot. Can't even take off this my fight. Hot man, like and just make it. Nice man. Yeah man. Sometimes you just have to make a move and enjoy yourself, you know. Can't just work every day. Have you see some places, you know. Kinda nice and fat. Yeah. Almost finished. Juicy. Come on. Try the chicken now. Get some hot wings, you know. My favorite. Yeah man. Beat up some hot wings in a night, in a day. Good man, not good.
Yes, you still a record?
Yeah man.
Oh, me I go up on here now. So
Yeah man, go on and come.
Alright.
Yeah man, me there.
Come there.
Come on. Can look for some of your friends them and your family them. Go and consume some food first. Can't walk with hungry belly, you see it? Big up Port Maria. Big up Port Maria. St. Mary. Place look nice. Long time I touch them places still. The hot wings are in Lily. They're small. Little bit dry though. It's hot, man. Turn on the AC, man. In hot. I almost forgot my biscuits. You know. Hot things that make me sweat. Yeah, man. Sometimes you just have to move and go some different place, you know? Come out of the town a little bit. Life is too short sometimes, you know? So you just have to enjoy it. Yes, I hot wings, but you know hot. I use a little bit more pepper. Fly up in my head. That's why I don't really mess with soda, you know. Let you drink water. I'm sorry, I never bring Ashley. Ashley would have want to come here now. Big up Ashley. Big up yourself, Ashley. I'm going to bring some for you. I'll buy some when I go down back. Know yourself. She love KFC. Yeah, man. But I like you guys tell me what you like to see on my channel. You know, if you want me to go certain places in Jamaica, you know, for you guys to see certain places, I'll go. You just have to let me know. You know. But for those who haven't been to Jamaica, you need to take a visit down here. Place is nice, relaxing, clean air, good weather all year round. Loving people. Yeah, man. Belly get full now. A last piece of hot wings, you know.